This one's called Typewriter, and what this involves is one of our cast members is going to tell a story, completely off the top of her head, and the rest of the cast members are going to act that out and become the characters that she tells them of. So let me bring out the storytellers. Megan's going to be our narrator. She's going to sit at the typewriter. And it's a very big typewriter, so I'm going to join her. We'd like to start with a title. We thought it's a good way to start a story. So, can someone throw a title for this story you're about to see at us?
The Stolen Chicken.
The Stolen Chicken. I've never heard that one before. Let's see how it goes.
Once upon a time, there was a very innocent chicken.
Named Judith.
Her owner was a sheep.
Named Greg.
The sheep didn't really care for the chicken.
But the chicken was just so innocent. This sheep was the only person who could resist her considerable charms. The two pigs loved her. They couldn't get enough. They couldn't get enough of Judith's delightful ways.
So one day, since the two pigs knew that the sheep didn't care for the chicken, the two pigs hid the chicken in the forest.
They did. And at first, Greg the sheep was fine with this. I mean, he hated that chicken. But as time went by, he realized he missed something. Thought he was lonely. Another chicken came by, named Helen. But he didn't like her at all. And he said, "Get lost."
The chicken named Helen finally convinced the other chicken to go back to the sheep.
With a giant sack of money that they both had to drag with their beaks. Now Greg, being a sheep, didn't care for money or material things, but he loved the effort. He loved the effort. Judith was delighted. She called her two pig friends who did anything she said because they had no minds of their own, and made them dance for Greg the sheep.
But the sheep told the pigs that they needed to do more than that to entertain him.
Yes, more than that, far more than that. They needed to also give him a massage because he was cramped. Yeah. And strangely enough, this relaxed Greg the sheep so much that he started growing wool at a frighteningly alarming rate. Wool just started sprouting out of him. Good God! It was frightening, but it was also great. And all the farm animals got together, collected up that wool, gathered it up off the floor and off of each other.
And they started a company and made millions of dollars each year.
The end.